So, we're rapidly approaching the release of Mountain View's next-generation flagship smartphone, the Google Pixel 8, even though the Google Pixel 7a has only recently hit shop shelves. When this phone is released, there will definitely be a ton of fascinating new features, but the eagerly awaited Tensor G3 processor will be the one driving them all. The successor to Google's Tensor G2 chip, which powers some of the company's newest products, including the Pixel tablet, is currently being kept a secret. However, based on rumors that are currently circulating online, we can make some educated guesses about the chipset's appearance and release date. Since the launch of the Pixel 6 series of flagship smartphones in 2021, Google has introduced a new Tensor processor with every successive model. It is anticipated that the future Pixel 8 line would do the same. Google's Zuma chip, also known as the Tensor G3, will make its debut in the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, according to a leaked roadmap of upcoming devices obtained by Android Authority. It is challenging to forecast precisely which components will be included in Google's upcoming flagship chipset, because Tensor has typically deviated from the standard cycle of CPU and GPU improvements. But occasionally, rumors and leaks might steer us in the correct direction. The most important cue was discovered by Mishal Rahman, who discovered support for advanced memory protection for upcoming CPUs in the Android 14 developer preview. Memory tagging extension, which is supported by ARM v9 CPUs, is necessary for this capability. The Cortex-X1, A78, A76, and A55 configuration used by the original Tensor and Tensor G2 was replaced by the ARM v9 architecture, which ARM introduced in 2021 with its Cortex-X2, Cortex-A710, and Cortex-A510 CPUs. Also compatible with MT are the more recent ARM Cortex-X3 and A715 processors, as well as the forthcoming next-generation components. The Tensor G3 may theoretically use any of these commercially available cores, but Google has typically stayed with older, less expensive parts. Rumors suggest that the G3 will include a 1 Cortex-X3, 4 Cortex-A715, and 4 Cortex-A510 CPU arrangement. When it comes to the CPU, this would bring performance much closer to the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and possibly even slightly ahead of it. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel 8 series and its Tensor G3 chipset? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.